Hi everyone, I am Rahul Kumar. Now, India is getting serious about building her own technology base, and National Quantum Mission could be a game changer in multiple sectors, from defense, energy, and environment to healthcare and civil applications. Any technology is the first devised, then thrives on material innovation, and quantum technology is not exception. For India, investment in quantum materials and device promise for more dividends than meets the eyes. The process can generate a cadre of highly skilled workforce. As India gears to become the world's third largest economy by 2027, a strongly networked material infrastructure in country will be crucial. It will cater to not just quantum technology but also other major scientific mega projects, ranging from the semiconductor mission to neutrino observatory and gravitational wave detection. The infrastructure will play a key role in building self-reliance in energy and electronic industries. So, let's look in detail. Now, what are quantum materials? Quantum materials are a class of matters or a system that allow us to exploit some of the unique properties of quantum physics and accomplish tasks that classical technology is capable of. The concept of quantum material was originally introduced to identify some of the exotic quantum systems, including unconventional superconductor, heavy formation system, and multifunctional oxides. It has now morphed into the powerful unifying concept across diverse fields of science and engineering, including solid-state physics, cold atoms, materials of science, and quantum computing. What are the applications of quantum material? First is energy. Quantum material can be used to create item types of batteries, solar cells, and other energy efficient devices. For example, graphene, a two-dimensional material made up of carbon atoms, has been shown in the extent electrical conductivity, which could make it a promising material for use in batteries. Graphene is one atom's thick layer of carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice. The electrons in graphene behave in unmassless particles, which gives a graphene its unique properties, such as high electrical conductivity and transparency. Second is information technology. Quantum materials can be used to create new types of computers and other information technology devices. For example, quantum computers, which is based on the principle of quantum mechanics, could be used to solve problems that currently impossible to traditional computer to solve. Third is defense. Quantum materials can used to create new types of weapon and defense system. For example, quantum sensor could be used to detect a track of enemy missile, and quantum computer could also be used to enhance security. Fourth is biomedical. Quantum materials can used to create new types of medical device such as sensor and imaging device. For example, quantum dot can used to fluorescent probe for bioimaging and biosensing of cells and tissues. Fifth is agriculture. In agriculture, quantum material can also to enhance agriculture productivity, quality, and security by exploiting quantum effects such as biosensing, bioimaging, and nano delivery. For example, quantum dot can used to biosensor for detecting pathogens and toxins in crops and livestock. So these are some applications you must have to remember. This type of question asked in UPSC prelims. Now, what is National Quantum Mission? It will be implemented by Department of Science and Technology under the Ministry of Science and Technology. The mission is planned for 2023-2031, aims to seed, nurture, and scale up scientific and industrial research and development and create a vibrant and innovative system for quantum technology. Third is, with the launch of this mission, India will be the seventh country to have detected dedicated quantum mission after US, Australia, Finland, France, Canada, and China. Now, what are the silent features of National Quantum Mission? First here is, it will target to developing intermediate scale of quantum computer with 100 to 50 to 100 physical qubits in 5 years and 50 to 1000 physical qubits in 8 years. Just like bits 0 and 1, the basic units which are the computer process information. Qubits or quantum bits are the units of process of quantum computer. Second is, the mission will help to develop magnetometers with the high sensitivity and precising timing, communication and navigation. Third here is, it will also support to design and synthesis of quantum material such as superconductor, naval superconductors structure and topographical materials and fabrication of quantum device. Fourth is, the mission will also help to developing satellite-based secure quantum computer between ground station over the range of 2000 km within India, long distance secure quantum communications with other countries, intercity quantum key distribution over 2000 km, multi-node quantum network with quantum memories. So what are the significance of National Quantum Mission? First here is, this will accelerate quantum technology led economic growth and make India one of the leading nations in development of quantum technology and application, ranging from the healthcare and diagnosis, defense, energy and data security. Second here is, it works towards the indigenously building of quantum based computers which are far more powerful and are able to solve the most complex problems in a highly secure manner. So what are the challenges associated with quantum materials? First challenge is bioaccumulation. Quantum material may pose health and environmental risks due to their potential toxicity and bioaccumulation. For example, quantum dots made it heavy metals such as cadmium or lead may cause oxidative stress, inflammation, and DNA damage in living cells and organisms. Second here is complex and expensive. Quantum material may also expensive and difficult to synthesize, purify and characterize due to their complex structure and compositions. They require high temperature and high pressure reactions, multiple purification steps and sophisticated analytical technologies. Third here is security. Quantum material may also pose to the security and ethical challenges due to their potential application and cryptography, surveillance and welfare. For example, quantum computer may able to break existing encryption scheme, quantum sensor may able to detect stealth aircraft and quantum weapons may be able to cause mass destruction. Fourth is societal. Quantum materials may also have a societal implication due to their impact of human cognitions, communications and culture. For example, quantum powered artificial intelligence may able to surpass human intelligence. Fifth here is quantum decoherence. This can be a major challenge for quantum computing and other applications. They rely on quantum mechanics. For example, quantum dot may lose their fluorescence and change their color due to oxidation, aggregations and photobleaching. Quantum decoherence is a process by which quantum information is lost due to interactions with the environment. So what should be the way forward? First here is enhance the investment. Quantum technology requires substantial investment in research and development, infrastructure and human resource to achieve its full potential. India has taken a step in this direction by launching National Quantum Mission with the budget of 6,000 crore. However, more public and private funding is needed to support the growth of quantum startups, service providers, and academic institutions. Second here is a regulatory framework is must. Quantum technology also possesses ethical, legal, and social challenges that needs to be addressed before it become widely available. For example, quantum sensing may infringe on privacy right and quantum weapons may cause mass destruction. Therefore, it would be prudent to develop the regulatory framework for quantum technology that balance innovation and security. Third here is promote quantum education. Quantum technology also requires skilled and trained professionals who can understand and apply its principles and methods. Therefore, it is essential to promote quantum education and awareness among the students and research across the various disciplines. This can be done by introducing quantum courses and schools and colleges, organizing workshops and seminars, and creating online platforms and resources. Fourth here is collaborations among various stakeholders. For better understanding of quantum technology, it is required to have a proper collaborations and cooperation among various stakeholders such as government agencies, industry players and institutions. This can foster knowledge sharing, innovation and standardization across different domains and application of quantum technology. It also enables India to participate in global initiative and network on quantum technology. So if you want to download this PDF, please check on the description, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment.